Hello friends, I'm Chandran Iyer, editor and publisher of Corporate Tycoons magazine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Corporate Tourism, the channel that gives you 360-degree perspective about the travel business. I have with me Mr. Anil Rajput, who is the Joint Secretary, Association of Domestic Tour Operators Association of India. Friends, this is an unusual interview in unusual times in view of COVID-19. Welcome to Corporate Tourism, Mr. Rajput.
Thanks, Mr. Iyer. It is a pleasure to be with you discussing the issues and problems being faced by the domestic tour operators due to the lockdown.
What are the challenges facing the domestic industry post-COVID-19?
Post-COVID-19, main challenges are to survive through the lockdown and then revive after things are under control. During the revival, finances will be required to support the operations of a company. Then, how much confidence will be there among the vendors, suppliers, sellers about the credit worthiness and service guarantee? What policies are going to be from the government for travel and accommodations, and how the tourist is going to adopt them?
Mr. Rajput, when can we see some revival in this tourism sector?
As far as revival in the tourism sector, it all depends on how soon lockdown is lifted. The safety and hygiene measures announced by the Ministry of Health and adopted by the hospitality partners. And then how the tourists feel safe to travel.
Some experts feel that the tourism sector is facing existential crisis. What is your take?
There are crises. Most of the travel and tour companies are small family-run business houses with small investments. We are facing crisis for quite long, even much before the COVID-19. It was floods in Kerala, lockdown in Jammu and Kashmir, CAA protests, and we were getting booking cancellations since quite long. But somehow we were managing as something or the other was supporting us. Then we were expecting that the holiday season from April onward will revive us. But the lockdown from 23rd of March has broken the backbone of the tour companies.
What is your association expecting from the government?
Well, my association, ADTOI, we had high hopes and expectation from the government, as the tourism sector shares 10% of the GDP and gives large number of employment all parts of the country. We requested through our apex body Faith for tax postponement and some other financial help, but we were disappointed. We as ADTOI would like to request the government to bring out some incentive in form of tax rebates to encourage the tourists to spend on holiday and to honor the speech of our respected Prime Minister that Indians to visit at least 5 new destinations in a year.
Thank you for being on my show, Mr. Rajput. It was a pleasure talking to you.